What's up, ladies and gentlemen? So today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin. We're going to be talking about why it is surging back. We're going to be going over all of your guys' questions, comments, and concerns. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and stick around for the live stream. This will most likely be a chill thing, kind of going over what's happening in the crypto market, why Shiba Inu is up 4% now when they were down about 8% this morning. So a great surge back we've seen here. And yeah, we're just going to be talking about all that. So if you guys are here for that, stick around. I did kind of make this stream pretty abrupt, so people might take a little bit to kind of trickle in here, but thank you to everyone who's already in here. What's up, everyone in the chat? If you want to say what's up, I'll say what's up real quick. I'm gonna let a few more people get in, and then we'll start around the 3-minute mark probably. But yeah, 32 concurrent viewers. If you guys just got in here, leave a like. Really helps with the get this thing out, or get this live stream out to more people, so we can talk about cryptocurrency and obviously Shiba Inu Coin with more people. What's up, Nanya Biz? What's up, Barry Williams? How are y'all doing? Yeah, I'm just waiting for a few more people to get in, and then we can start to go over everything. Shib to a dime tonight. How I would love that so much. I would love that more than anything. But what's up? What do you think about Skywalker Coin? Ooh, I like Star Wars. It's probably not made by the Disney or anything, so probably not gonna invest any money into that. But yeah, we might talk about Metaverse coins as well today. And you guys can ask whatever questions you want. I'll try to give you guys an answer. What's up, Robert? What's up, Robo? What's up, Joel? How are y'all doing? What about Doge on Mars? Personally, I'm not really a meme coin guy. The reason I like Shiba Inu a lot is I think it has a lot of utility, and it kind of evolved out of a meme coin. What's up, Jose? But yeah, so I'm not really a meme coin guy for the most part. I try to look for stuff with real utility, and I really do think Shib has real utility. What do you think about Mana? Yeah, I have made multiple videos, so 1 second, we can actually get started now. Good amount of y'all flooding in here. Make sure you guys leave a like if you haven't already. And yeah, just wanted to let you guys know, we did dabble with a few different types of videos. We're starting to do shorts now. I don't know if you guys noticed that. You guys don't have to watch the shorts or whatever. We're just trying to get those on people's shorts feed, trying to get Shiba Inu Coin out to more people. But we did make a few videos on things other than just Shiba Inu Coin. Obviously, we're still trying to have our main focus be Shiba Inu Coin. But about 4 days ago, I did make videos on both Decentraland or Mana and the Sandbox crypto. So if you guys want to watch that, you can. I also made another video on Decentraland with my price predictions, and then crypto.com, I made a video on that, Saitama, a few weeks back. And then yeah, I also compared Decentraland and Sandbox. So if you guys want to see some little more diverse content, you can scroll back just a few days. Obviously, we put out like 4 to 5 to 6 videos a day. But yeah, I'm glad to get back on this live stream. I'm really glad to get back on this live stream, because obviously I haven't been on here for like a week. I was back in California for a week. I also went back the weekend before, so things have been a little bit weird. That's why you've seen some different backgrounds in my videos and everything. But I'm back here. I'm going to be bringing this setup home when I go home for winter break. If you guys don't know, it's mine and Cal's senior year for senior year of college. So we'll be done after next semester. So in the spring, around May, we'll both be done, and we'll be able to dedicate our whole life to Shiba Inu Coin, to cryptocurrency, to stocks. But until then, we still have a few things to do. All right, but yeah, glad you're feeling better. Oh yeah, and I was sick this whole last week. I finally feel better. I really appreciate you actually, still remembering that. That's really cool. But yeah, that's also another thing with the live stream. I couldn't really talk for more than 10 minutes at a time, so that's another reason I couldn't do the live streams. But really, it was because I only had my Mac back home. But anyways, let's get into Shiba Inu Coin, why it's up today, everything of that nature. If you guys just got in here, make sure you guys leave a like on this stream. Helps it get out to more people. Sorry, I know you guys hate when I do that, like thing with my mouth, but it just like comes naturally for some reason. But yeah, so I mean today, this morning when I was making my videos, we were down. I think we were down about 8%. It says 1% there, but that's compared to obviously right here. We were down 8% at one point today. We have come surging back, and that comes on the heels of actually good. I can't say the real name, but you guys know the virus. There was a new variant that was coming out. I believe it's Omicron. Some people have said new. Maybe there is an Omicron and a new variant. I don't know, but the Omicron one was apparently extremely scary at the beginning. But it recently came out that this Omicron variant might or might not be as bad as people let on, and that it's not really going to be disrupting. We're not going to be going back into lockdowns. So as you can see here, I know some of you guys don't like CNN. We're just looking at the futures. This is unbiased information. U.S. stock futures. The Dow is up 0.69% in futures. S&P is up 1%, basically, and the Nasdaq futures or tech is all up 1.16%. So everything in the stock market is up, and then obviously crypto trades every day, all day, and you can see we have bounced back here on Ethereum after just the few things of bad news came out on on the overall market in general, both stocks and crypto. But Bitcoin and Ethereum surging back now. If you guys were wondering like what was going wrong before, I actually did post on public.com kind of what was going on. Basically why crypto is down. China regulations scared the overall market. This is still true, obviously. A new COVID variant, I said the word, dang it. Variant has come to light that seems like it's the worst one yet. New news coming out right now. Apparently it's not that bad. And then, and this is why I said potentially spreads more than 500%. It does spread 500% more than previous variants. But, so apparently this news isn't as bad. And then I'm buying the dip on all these. Obviously, I put Shib in there as well. But yes, so where were we again? 89 people? Omicron, anagram of moronic. Okay, I gotta put this on mute. Sorry guys, got a text. Anyways, no problem. The dip was nice. Exactly. I added on the dip. I actually added in my Coinbase. I didn't add on public. But I added Ethereum. I did Algorand, Matic, Shiba Inu. I added on a lot of my positions, and now we are seeing a very, very nice recovery here, especially in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Obviously, just on this good news, the volume didn't even tick up too much. So yeah, I mean, what's it called? The volume didn't go up too much. We're only sitting at about 16 billion. Sorry, I'm distracted. I gotta stop looking at my phone. I'm really bad at multitasking apparently. But yeah, so that's kind of what's going on with the overall crypto market. Obviously, I have not been on the live stream since the Medium article came out. So if you guys want me to go over that, I can definitely do that. I added on Coinbase to my Shib, Ben buying Heavy Sand, Avalanche, Mana, and Luna. So yeah, you're trying to get in on that Metaverse craze. I can respect it. Definitely can respect it. But yeah, obviously Shiba Inu being down about 39, or being down this whole week has not been very fun. But this has been a great day for us Shib investors. Make sure you guys leave a like on the stream if you haven't already. I have all my money on Shib and XRP. Oh, you're crazy, bro. You're really hoping that XRP wins that lawsuit, eh? But anyways, let's go over this. If you guys want a free way to get some Shiba Inu coin, then go ahead and use that first link in the description. Basically, all you have to do is deposit $1 on public, which is what you're seeing right now. Kyle and I both use it. And yeah, so if you want some free, basically you'll get, when you deposit $1, you'll get up to $70 worth of free stock. You can then sell that stock, invest it right into Shiba Inu coin. You basically get yourself some free Shib, so you might as well do that with that first link in the description. But yeah, do that if you guys haven't already. It's an easy way to get free Shiba Inu coin. Just do that. But yeah. Thought about swapping Crow for Gala. Ooh, yeah, so I actually did buy Crypto.com when I made a video on it. And I believe when I made the video on it, Crypto.com was about like 60 cents. I bought it there and then I sold it at around 90 cents. So I sold right about here when I thought like, oh, we might be seeing a little bit of a sell-off. Obviously the whole crypto market went down, and I still think Crypto.com is really good investment personally. I just wanted to take my quick gains. I literally went from 60 cents to 90 cents. I was like, okay, let me take my 50% in gains and roll it, some of it into Shib, some of it into Ethereum. So that's what I did, but I will most likely be buying back into Crypto.com. I'm really trying to get in at the 55 to 60 level once again though. None of these YouTubers have any idea what they're talking about, just do the opposite of what they say literally. I don't know if you're referring to me, but I've done quite well in the market so far this year. So, message retracted? Why do you retract the message? Oh, maybe one of my people did that. Whatever. But yeah, make sure you guys, if you haven't already, leave a like on the stream. Let's try to get this to 50 likes in the next 2 minutes. That'd be awesome. No, Orlando, you're incorrect, sir. I mean, to be fair, yeah, some of these YouTubers don't know what they're talking about, and, you know, you might think I know more than I do know. I do a ton of research every day. If I'm not doing homework for school, you can bet your butt that I'm either making a video or researching for that video. So I do a ton of research, guys, but obviously I'm still a college student, and I have a life outside of everything in YouTube, but I research a ton. So I like to think that I know more than the average person would know that just watches a few YouTube videos. But yeah, anyways, we're up 4%. Still the fourth most active cryptocurrency or stock on here. Love to see that. And yeah, I mean, looking to Shib, there was really no news. Basically, Shib is just running off of overall sentiment in the market right now. Sentiment in both the stock and crypto market. I assume both stocks and cryptocurrencies will be doing good tomorrow and the days and the next week. We have about a % increase over the last day. And pretty much every altcoin in the top 20 is pretty much running. Now, Terra is kind of coming up on us, nipping at our heels. But I really do think Shib, by the end of this year, is going to break out of this consolidation we're in right now between that 40 level and that 35 level. And I think we are going to break out of that consolidation and really delete a zero this year. That is, if you guys haven't seen our price prediction videos, that's what I'm thinking is going to happen. I've been sharing your videos. You do your homework. Appreciate you. Yeah, what makes Crow different to Bit or Binance? So, honestly, Crypto.com does have some flaws, I will say. It should be a top 20 crypto. It does have its flaws, and that's why I sold when it hit 90 cents. I think some people are now downloading Crypto.com, the app, and seeing that, you know, it's not the cleanest of transitions. Some things are hard, like selling and withdrawing your money is a little bit hard, although they do offer some good offers, but Crypto.com is just a little bit tough to deal with right now. But I mean, Coinbase has its problems, so Crypto.com, I think it is good. I don't think it's as good as Binance, obviously, but it has potential, and the fact that they have spent a lot of their money on marketing definitely has helped their case. Do a video with price prediction for people investing now. I just did a video on price prediction today or yesterday. So basically, if you guys want to know, my price prediction for Shiba Inu Coin is deleting a zero by the end of this year, which is basically between like 175 and 200% in gains, and then by the end of next year, I think it'll get to a penny. So those are my price predictions, but I have done videos on them in like literally the past day. Where's the best place to buy Shiba? I think the best place is public, personally. You know, the fees are low. You get to own Shib. There is no wallet yet, but wallets are coming. So yeah, I think personally, use public. That's what I use for a lot of my Shiba. I buy Shiba in all different places. I do that with all my cryptocurrencies, though. You can buy it on public with the first link in the description. Shiba's sleeping. I mean, Shiba's got some gains. It's got some gains. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of come on here and just gauge where people are at with Shiba Inu Coin. Wanted to answer any questions you guys might have. So if you guys have questions, overall, basically the reason Shib is up right now and it's coming back up is because one, they bounced off support, and then two, the Dow futures, S&P 500 futures, and the Nasdaq futures are all up, as well as obviously cryptocurrency. If you look at the last 7 days or today alone, just everything's surging right now. So Shiba Inu Coin has followed. Really beautiful to see. But yeah. Shib, I bought it on Webull. Is that safe? Well, Webull is owned by China. We used to be an affiliate of theirs, but we have since moved off of Webull for now. So if that makes, if that tells you anything. Can you please elaborate, if possible, on the penny by end of 2022 or reference the vid? I'll check your channel vids for you. Yeah, let's see. When was the vid? Okay, let's see. I believe it's this one. Shiba Inu Coin, what 2022 will hold for us. If you guys want to watch that one, that's my predictions for 2022, as well as for the end of this year. So you guys can watch that if you would like. Thoughts on Doge on Mars? Yeah, you probably weren't in the stream. I don't really personally like altcoin, or well, I do like altcoins, but anything other than Bitcoin is an altcoin. So I do like altcoins. I do not like personally meme coins. I don't think that Shiba Inu Coin is a meme coin personally. I've made posts, I've made videos on why it's not a meme coin. But Doge on Mars, I don't see any utility in it personally. I could be wrong though. I don't research Doge on Mars much. But what I read about it, I just wasn't interested in getting in on it. Every major crypto exchange has their issues. Who you are with has its pluses and minuses. I agree. I'm issued that live. I'll check after your live. The Shiba game, Shiboshi trading card game, will hopefully burn a lot of coins. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's go over that. I never went over on live stream that Satoshi Medium article. And he made a great article. And this basically lays out the future Shiba Inu Coin. I've been over this article. I've read this article maybe 10 times. I know it inside and out. Basically, they announced the big thing was announcing the whole crypto game. So basically, he's a great writer. I will say this, but they basically they both signed a mutual NDA with AAA Studios, who is developing the Shiba Inu game, and then also the developers of Shib as well. They have an NDA, and that's basically so things don't get out, and then people don't try to scam people. Because if they say, "Hey, the Metaverse is going to be called Woofverse for Shiba Inu Coin," that will inevitably pop up and be a thing on Twitter, be like, "Oh, Shiba Inu Coin launched the Metaverse," and really it's just someone trying to scam you out of your Shib. So that's why they signed an NDA. But basically, they have a AAA game studio which has worked with the likes of Disney and Warner Bros., which is amazing. And now they have signed William David Volk. So if you guys don't know who this is, basically, I'm trying to get to his credits. Basically, he began his career at the age of 22, helping to launch the computer game division of Avalon Hill, now owned by Hasbro. He would create 3 original game titles there. If you guys don't know what these are, it's old. But he has also worked as the VP of Technology of Activision. So we literally have this guy working on the game, and I believe he said, "I am honored to be working with an amazing team on what will become one of the most significant games of all time." So the former VP of Activision has said that he will be working on one of the most significant games of all time. Even if they underdeliver on this, it'll still be really good for Shiba Inu Coin, and hopefully getting the Metaverse obviously implemented onto Shibarium. Did I hear EA Sports has signed with someone? I don't know. But yeah, the gaming market right now is huge. That is obviously shown with both Decentraland, which is up like 15%, up to a $10 billion market cap. Axie Infinity, which is also in the Metaverse gaming sector. And then obviously Sandbox up 30% and up 100% in the last 7 days. So yeah, the gaming Metaverse is huge. And Shiba Inu Coin obviously pivoted, not even pivoted, just added to their ecosystem of this. Obviously, they're going to be behind all those previously mentioned cryptocurrencies on that, and gaming companies on that. But it's going to be a massive thing next year, and Shiba Inu Coin is going to be in on it. And obviously, the Shib army is extremely strong. So, all right, yeah, we got 214 viewers in here. If we get to 100 likes in the next 5 minutes, I will invest $25 into Shiba Inu Coin. So, if we get 50 more likes in the next 5 minutes, I'll invest $25 into Shiba Inu Coin. That is the deal. But yeah, so I mean, this Medium article goes over a lot of different things too. It kind of goes over Shibarium, what's going on with that. And I mean, just a lot of really good things coming out here. He talks about the Metaverse. He says that obviously they have something in the works, the concept of the Oshiverse. But he believes that for a Metaverse to be more than a infinity symbol and in a way to extract your data, throwing shots obviously at Meta, or used to be Facebook, it must provide real value to the users, and that's what they're trying to do. And they're working with so many aspects of Shiba Inu, including Shibarium, SHIBnet, and the decentralized Shiboshi game. These are all things that we have coming up for 2022 to look forward to. This is why we should be bullish on Shiba Inu Coin going forward, in my opinion. I hear Warner Bros. And Walt Disney, but I can't find any of it, if any of it's true. With AA Studios? Pretty sure it's easily proved. But yeah, so I'm pretty sure. Remember, guys, 100 likes in the next, in the next 5 minutes or next 3 or 4 minutes, and I'll invest $25 into Shiba Inu Coin. Disney are releasing NFTs. But yeah, so I have 50 million Shiba, 55 cent each hold. So yeah, I'm going to be probably on here for about 8 more minutes. So if you guys have questions, go ahead and obviously ask me those questions. Because I don't really have anything else to talk about, really. We've already gone over how the stock futures are up, as well as just crypto markets are all up on the good news about the virus. So that's really what's going on right now. Holding Shib, Crow, and Dogecoin long term. Cheers and thank you very much for the info. Appreciate you. You think 12 mil is good to hold that? Shiba Inu Coin? Yeah, sure. Whatever is good for you. Do you think Gala would do well? I haven't really looked too much into Gala, if I'm going to be honest. I have seen it a lot on trending searches though. When they talk about Metaverse, Shibarium, they're not already built. How much time do you think could take to create a game? Usually many years. Yeah, it depends on what type of game it is. So obviously the Shiba Inu game is going to start as an app. So it's going to start as an app, and then is going to evolve into something that connects to Shibarium, the blockchain, similar to Sandbox and Decentraland. So they're going to start out with an app, which will be coming out in early 2022, and then they will be working on developing the game into the blockchain with to something similar to Sandbox or Decentraland. That's my understanding of it. It's definitely going to be an interesting month. What do you think the biggest gainer will be? Sand? Sand has already ran a good amount, but it could have a lot more to go. They're reaching a resistance right now. $7 billion market cap ain't too bad. I mean, Decentraland, if they just get to Decentraland, they're going to have another 20 to 30% in gains. But yeah, I could see one of Axie Infinity, Decentraland, or Sandbox have the most gains. One thing that still, just irks me a little bit is just this holders situation. The fact that they have 86% of the top 10 holders owns 86% of the supply. That screams rug pull to me. 35%. What if this guy just liquidated his position? He could totally tank this cryptocurrency. So that's the reason I haven't invested a dime into Sandbox. So yeah. All right, guys, we're like 8 or 9 likes away from getting to our like goal. If we hit that before I end the stream, I'll invest $25. So 9 more likes and I'll invest $25 in Shiba Inu Coin. Obviously, it's not much, but everything little thing helps, obviously. What do you think's better, token Shib or Sandbox? Personally, I think Sandbox is not the best at what they do. I think Decentraland will win long term. Personally, that's how I see it. But Sandbox could be very good. I think Shiba Inu is better just for the fact that they are very adaptable. When they hear something hot and new in the crypto markets, they pounce on it. I think that's a really good thing. And I think the army behind Shiba Inu Coin is just better than obviously something of Sandbox. Oh, we hit 100 likes. Cool. But yeah, so now I will invest into our on public. $25. Thank you guys all for hitting that like goal. Thank you for everyone who came out, by the way. We'll be on here. Get your last comments in, and I will try to answer as many as I can before I head out. I got to go hit the gym. Haven't hit the gym yet today. But yeah, so I'm looking up Shiba Inu Coin. I'll answer the last questions, and then we'll get out of here. So $25. Hopefully there's no maintenance. There is no maintenance. Boom, $25 invested in Shiba Inu Coin. Live stream. Dope. Thanks for having us. Appreciate you, Healthy Rails. Yeah, so you guys can actually check on here, I believe. Public. Can I not type? Jesus Christ. You guys can actually see on here that I just invested in Shiba Inu Coin. So if you guys want to get some free Shiba Inu Coin, you can see here the graphs are amazing on public. If you use that first link in the description and you deposit $1 on public, which is going to be this app, you're going to get up to $70 with free stock. I personally gotten $50 twice in Tesla, and then also $42 once. A viewer's gotten $60 once. So you might as well try your luck. Really barely any risk there. And then obviously it's a great app. You can literally follow us on there and see what we invest in. So use that first link in the description. But yeah, let's read these final comments and then we'll get out of here. The fact that Crow has a $30 billion market cap makes it attractive. Really attractive. Oh, is it? Does that make it attractive for you because there is obviously less volatility? Best crypto exchange for most utility. I'm really not sure what I'm allowed to say on that. Do you own, because we are sponsored by Public, the thing I just mentioned, by the way. Do you own or plan to own any NFTs? Yeah, I own NFTs. I own some Finance Bro NFTs. And then, yeah, I do own some NFTs. Maybe I'll bring out a whole crypto portfolio video for you guys. Would you be interested in watching that? I could do that with everything I own. Do you even lift, bro? Nah, I don't lift. I just kind of go in there and I do like 3 squats and I leave. That's about it. I just burned 1K on it. I added $500 today on Shiba. Dang, bro. Sure, dude. Big spender over here. Yeah, I know, $25. Whoa, I'm strapped for cash. What was I saying? Oh yeah, wow, hopefully it doesn't hit 0. Do you plan to own any NFTs? Already answered that. Elon Mars, nope. When do you think Shib will come up? if you mean like when do I think it'll like be on the rise, I think very soon it'll break consolidation. Honestly, I could see it happening in the next couple of days if we continue to have this overall hype in the market. I definitely can see Shiba Inu Coin breaking consolidation and then having some great gains here soon. So I definitely think very soon we can see some gains coming to Shiba Inu Coin. Are you a day trader? No, I don't day trade. I dabble in some options, but most of those are longer term. I don't really do anything under a week or even a month, really. Yeah, I'm an investor. I'm not a trader. So I can't really, I mean, like, I can help you with it. I know all of the different terms. I've done it successfully, just not at scale. You know, I haven't like day traded for 2 years and been successful all 2 years, you know. I have very green, at the beginning of this year, I had some very green months, obviously when we were in a bull market, and I've had some red months as well. Overall, I'm up about, in my stocks, I'm up about 40% on the year. Crypto, up about 300% in the year, about. Do you stake? I'm thinking about staking some crypto.com if it gets below 60 cents. I'll leave it at that. No, I don't stake my Shib though, because I don't have it on Shiba Swap. Or like, yeah, I don't really use Shiba Swap too much, but I'm thinking about it. But yeah, I think that's pretty much going to be it for today's live stream. Thank you for coming through. Just wanted to do a quick one. Didn't even think I was going to do this, so I'm very grateful for everyone who came through. This is a very last minute thing. Literally 5 minutes before 8:30, I was just like, you know what? Let me do this before I go to the gym. I have some time. So yeah, thank you guys all for coming through. My name is Zach. Use that first link in the description. Get signed up with Public. That's it. I'll see you in the next video or